You're welcome to Science Array with Glory Valentine. In today's lesson, we will solve the problem of the insect tab not showing in your Microsoft Word document when working with the Mendeley's Reference Manager application for your citation. Let's get started. If you had already installed your Mendeley Reference Manager and you are working on a Microsoft Word document, you intend to give citation and your references or bibliography. Place your cursor at a point where you want to insert your citation. You click on the Insert tab and then click on References, but there is no indication here that you should insert citation as usual. What you need to do is to click on the Insert tab, then click on where it says Get Add In. It opens. So on this My Add-in store, if you didn't find all these, you have to click Store, because there are situations where you will click on the Get Add-in and it will only open My Add-in then Store. If it happens like that, you have to click on Store. Then under Search, you can type in Reference, or you scroll to where you have Reference and click on it. Then you scroll to where you have Mendeley sites. Here it says Mendeley sites. Click on Add Mendeley site. So you have to click Continue. Click Got It. Here it says Mendeley sites. So it's left for you to update. You can click on the updates for you to have the updated version. Continue with your work. You place your cursor as usual and then click on Mendeley sites. Get started. Thank you for watching.